Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2017 Renault Kadjar 1.5 dCi Dynamique Nav EDC, a stylish and efficient SUV finished in blue with a cloth interior. At the side, the Kadjar sits on 17-inch alloy wheels with roof rails and electric folding mirrors, adding both functionality and style. At the rear, the LED taillights, reverse camera, and parking sensors ensure convenience and easy maneuverability. Powered by a 1.5-liter dCi diesel engine with EDC automatic transmission, the Kadjar provides a perfect balance of efficiency and performance. At the front, the sleek Renault grille, sharp headlights, and sculpted bumper give the Kadjar a modern and confident look. Cruise control and lane assist enhance safety and driving comfort. Stepping inside, enjoy a well-equipped cabin featuring Bluetooth connectivity, a navigation system, and keyless start. The modern infotainment system ensures seamless connectivity and ease of use. The Kadjar offers comfortable and spacious rear seats, ensuring a pleasant ride for all passengers. The Kadjar provides a practical and roomy luggage area, ideal for both daily commutes and long journeys. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration AY180WZ to book a test drive or request a video tour.